Assembly Guide for Vaux X-Mount Cycle. Welcome to your new Vaux X-Mount Cycle. To ensure a smooth and safe assembly, please follow these detailed instructions. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts and tools listed in the assembly manual. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult a professional bike mechanic. The accessories included in the box: bottle holder, lock, mudguard, seat, disc plate, quick release, reflectors and tools. Remove the front tire. Attach the disc plate to the wheel with the given screw. Assembling the front wheel. Start with the front wheel. Install the front axle. Insert the front wheel axle into the fork dropouts of the frame. Secure the axle, depending on the type. Tighten the axle nuts or quick release lever to firmly attach the wheel. Ensure the wheel spins freely without any wobble. Install the brake calipers. Mounting bracket, if your calipers require an adapter for proper alignment. Install the adapter plate onto the frame or fork first. Position the caliper, slide the caliper over the disc rotor and align it with the mounting holes on the frame or fork. Secure the caliper, insert and tighten the caliper mounting bolts. Do not fully tighten them yet. You need to adjust the caliper position first. Align the caliper, squeeze the brake lever to center the caliper over the rotor. While holding the lever, tighten the caliper mounting bolts to secure the caliper in the centered position. Install the brake wire and fix it in the brake lever and tighten it on the brake caliper. attaching the handlebars. Next, focus on the handlebars. Position the handlebars, insert the handlebars into the stem of the bike. Align, make sure the handlebars are centered and aligned with the front wheel for proper steering. Insert the seat post, place the seat post into the seat tube of the frame. Adjust height, set the seat to your preferred height for comfort and proper riding posture. Secure, tighten the seat clamp or bolt to keep the seat post securely in place. Unscrew the bottle holder nuts and insert the bottle holder and tighten the nuts. Align the mudguard, position the front mudguard between the fork legs and the front wheel. Tighten the mounting bolts or clips. Ensuring the mudguard is stable and positioned correctly to prevent interference with the wheel. Installing the pedals. Proceed with the pedals. Identify pedals. Note that pedals are marked L4 left and R4 right to ensure correct installation. Screw in, thread the right pedal into the right crank arm by turning it clockwise. Thread the left pedal into the left crank arm by turning it counterclockwise. Tighten, use a pedal wrench to tighten the pedals securely. But avoid over-tightening, which may damage the threads. Congratulations! Your Vaux X-Mount cycle is now fully assembled and ready for action. With the assembly complete, it's time to enjoy your ride.